Hey, what's happening, guys? I've got some cool stuff from Temu on the bench today. It's all RF radio related stuff. Let's start with this one. These are just some 90-degree angle the SO239 connectors. Always useful. Because if you have your radio, on your bench, and your cable is coming up from beneath, then you got to bend that coax. So a little something like this can make it a lot easier. These feel like really nice, high quality ones. And let me see what I paid for them. $6.78 for the pair. This is two pieces, UHF PL259 to SO239 female RF coax connectors. So yeah, this is the side that your antenna connector will go on, and then this bolts onto your radio. So two of those for $7 doesn't seem like a bad price at all. Next is just a little SO239 jumper cable. For instance, if you need to go from your radio to an SWR meter or a power meter, just whenever you need to chain a couple of RF type things together from your radio to your amplifier or whatever. So this is a short piece. What is this, like? I think it was 2 feet maybe? 30 centimeters maybe? No. 60 centimeters, yeah. $4.98 I paid for this. Are there any markings on this cable? Yeah. Low loss coaxial cable. There you go. RG58. You wonder if it's really 50 ohms? I wonder if it's really 50 ohms. How can we figure it out? Let me ponder this for a minute. Okay, I'm sure there's a proper way to do this, but I don't know what it is. Maybe I was told a long time ago, and I don't remember. I looked it up online. There are some complicated ways to do it. W2AEW, Alan Wolke, has a really good explanation on his channel. But we're going to do it the hillbilly way here. So I got the Nano VNA. And it is calibrated for, well, it was calibrated. Now it lost its calibration. Hang on. I'm going to have to recalibrate it. All right. I recalibrated it for 5 to 50 megahertz, which is, the range I'm going to deal with here. So if I take the load calibration here, and I put that on there, well, you can see our SWR is 1.0. So if I attach a piece of coax with an open on the end of it, you can see our SWR is infinity. Now I'll attach that same known 50 ohm load to the end of it, and now you can see our SWR is from 1.05 to 1.023, which is lovely. So we should be able to do that with this piece of cable. But first I will need to get into my box of RF shenanigans. Whoops, wrong direction. I'll put some more. There we go. All right, let's see what we got here. If I got 2 of these, man, we'd be having things really nice here. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why I wanted two of these. Sometimes I wonder what my brain thinks. Like I was doing a through measurement or something. But maybe that is what I wanted. Hang on, we'll figure it out. So from here to there to there, and I think I want, yeah, I want this end for this side. And then I can put my load on it. All right, now we're talking. Now we're talking. So now if we get in the vicinity of 1.0 SWR, 1.018 to 1.1 all the way across the band. So I generally operate between 7 megahertz, which is at 1.025, and 14 megahertz, which is 1.043. So this thing is just fine. And it is 50 ohm cable, actually. You never know. You never know. You got to check. And I'm not just saying that because, you know, this is a Chinese product from Temu. I'm saying it because you never know what somebody can sell you. So this cable was what, $4.98. And we got one more. And it is another cable. This one says RG316 UHFK input voltage current 5 volts. Anyway, this is it says 5-meter antenna extension cable. I think this is marketed for automobiles. But as you can see, we've got the whatever one this is, the PL259 or the SO239. And then we have an SMA. So let us do our same test. Now, of course, it is not going to read. It is not going to read perfectly at 0. I don't think I have the opposite end of that. So I'll have to go like this. You know what we say here at the lab, nothing beats insertion loss, and every connector adds to the insertion loss. So how many adapters have we done so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hang on, we're not done. I need some sort of a coupler. I don't think I have. So 6, 7, and 8. And let's see what we get. If we get close to 1, then we know this is 50 ohm RG. Okay, so 5, it's coiled up here, so we're going to have some inductance as well. But yeah, look at that, 1.1 at 5 megahertz. Down to 1.021 at 16 megahertz. Up to 1.1 at 25.7 megahertz. Down to 1.040. So yeah, absolutely, that is a 50 ohm cable. And it only took us, what, 8 additional connectors to figure that out. Now, I have no idea. Say if this was a 75 ohm cable, I have no idea how we go about characterizing that other than perhaps using Alan Wilkie's math method. And I just hate math, so I don't want to do any math. So to wrap up for what we got today, we got the 196.85 inch antenna extension cable SMA female to SO239 female. And that was $17.98. Then we had these two PL259 to SO239 90-degree adapters for $6.78. And finally, we had the PL259 UHF coaxial cable jumper, 2 feet, for $4.98. So for just about 30 bucks, you know, got a lot of decent RF type cabling here. I will put links down below for you to check them out. And there's my code there where you'll get a little bit of a discount, and I will get a little bit of an associate fee. So check that out if it's you know, something you're into. And if you're not into radios, you're probably going to need any of these though, right? That's it. I'm out. Peace.